Hey everybody, today I am not feeling very well, but I want to get this video up. When you don't feel good, the last thing you want to do is put on regular clothes and makeup. It's been about 3 days where I've been wearing the same exact outfit, unwashed hair. I think it's time to do something about it. I wasn't gonna film a video because that was like the last thing I wanted to do, just to be totally honest, but I thought a lot of you guys maybe could relate to this when you're not feeling up for it, and just doing a few easy steps when you're feeling under the weather to feel put together. If you're looking for a glam makeup tutorial, this is not the video for you. This is gonna be the most simple, minimalist way to feel put together, especially when you're feeling sick. It literally aches lifting my arms up like this. I'm gonna first by taking off the glasses. Now I'm gonna take off my sick clothing items, put them aside, and put on something a little bit more feeling like me and that makes me feel put together. So I'm gonna go do that now. Okay, so I put on a floral print because floral kind of just makes me happy. And so now I'm gonna actually do my hair. I'm dreading brushing my hair. You know when you're feeling sick and actually brushing your hair even hurts? That's kind of what it feels like. I'm gonna go ahead and take my favorite lazy girl hack, and it is using these headbands. I get these from Urban Outfitters. You guys ask me all the time where I get them, so I just have a couple and I always have them handy for situations like this. Just pulls your hair out of the way, and it also is great for those days when you don't wash your hair. And do a regular 3-strand braid, but you could do anything you want. You could do a ponytail, a bun. I just like to have a braid because it's out of my face and just looks like I tried harder than I actually did. I'm gonna secure that with a small elastic. So there, it just looks like you did something more that took longer than 1 minute. Earrings is one of those things that I can't live without, and it's just a step that always makes me feel really good. So if your ears are pierced, throw in some of your favorite earrings. So I'm just taking a little bit of this luminizing Revlon Rose Glow. Use anything that's really hydrating and gonna give your skin a little bit of a radiance. Probably the thing I need most right now is a little bit of brightening to this skin. I'm even gonna like pat it in to give some color, some flush. Now I'm taking a little bit of my Born This Way multi-use concealer, and I'm just gonna do that underneath the eye, and heck, I'm gonna put it just like a few streaks around my face. Take a damp sponge and just blend that in. I just want to quickly even out my skin tone. I'm not gonna do a bunch of steps for my skin today. We just want to really keep it easy. I'm also gonna hit the eyelids to take out any redness there from coughing into tissue 1,000 million times. I feel like death. So I'm using now a eyebrow gel because this is a really fast way to have your eyebrows done if you're feeling sick or if you're in a rush. So it's tinted, so it's putting down color, but it's also styling the brow, so it makes them look really groomed but also full. I mean, my eyebrows are done in less than like 20 seconds. So nice, and this was $2. So now my eyes are prepped because of the foundation I put on them, which is great. So it has a nice sticky base. I'm just taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. All I want is just a really shimmery light shade. I'm not even using a brush. Putting this all over my lid because I want to brighten up my eye area, so avoid dark shadows or anything. I want it light and bright. So yeah, just really light and easy. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this video. You guys are probably like, what is this? One of my favorite steps is doing the Kevin Aucoin eyelash curler. This makes a huge difference in making your eyes look more awake. So just hold it down for 3 seconds on both sides. Take your favorite mascara. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Start at the root of the lash, wiggle side to side, and pull through to get every lash. You get volume and length that way. Whoa, taking a break from mascara and coming back to it really makes you appreciate mascara. I want to add a little bit more life back into my face, so I'm going to take my bronzer, taking one with a little bit of a glow to it. This is MAC Deposit Gold Deposit bronzer with a fluffy brush, just to add a little bit of color back into my face, which I desperately need. So I'm just doing it right on the slopes of my cheeks, down my jawline. If you do too much, go ahead and take your sponge and just blend it out. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is take this Dior Addict lip gloss in 456. This is a really nice lipstick lip gloss combination, and it's a really pretty pink to brighten up my face. My lips are dry as heck, so I want something really soft and easy, but I do want a little bit of color to give me a little brightening. And my favorite trick of this whole look is gonna be taking that same gloss and then putting it on your cheeks. By doing this is going to give a really healthy glow to your skin and make you look like you're not sick at all. I highly recommend it, especially one that's really light and creamy. So I'm really glad I got through this video. I'm definitely gonna try to be productive the rest of the day. I hope it helps you guys out. You can look and feel put together in 5 minutes. If you guys like these tips, try them out. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'll see you next time.